Hey guys, welcome to this new video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to trade like a pro without using any indicators. Yes, you don't need to use any type of indicators. The basic thing that a pro trader uses is the candlesticks itself. Yes, the candles tells us everything that is gonna happen. We can predict when the price is gonna move up and when the price is gonna move down just looking at the candles. Now, starting with what a candle is. Candle is simply a thing that you see on the chart right here, consisting of two things, the body and the wick. Wick is basically the pin that you see on the top or at the bottom or at the both sides, and the basic covered the rectangle area is the body. Now, why the body is formed and why the wick is formed. The body is formed when a price, for example, if we talk about this green candle, the body is formed because the price started from here and ended up right here. So the price moved from here to here and formed the body. But the wick represents the rejection. It means when the price started moving from here to here, that went up to this level, that tried to move downward, but it was pushed upward. It was rejected in this area and pushed upward. For detailed video about what a wick is, what a candle is, watch my video. The link is given in the description below. So we are moving ahead with the wicks. Wick means rejection. Whenever you see wicks, it tells us that the price tried to move in that direction, but it was rejected. For example, if we see this thing, the price was moving up and it tried to move up, but the wick represents that the price was rejected by the settlers and they pushed the market in the opposite direction. So the price was rejected to move up. In the same way, if you see like this, if you see wicks on the bottom, it means the price was rejected to move down and the buyers pushed the market on the upper direction. So the wicks, wherever you see the wicks, it means the rejection. Now, it doesn't work all the times. For example, you can see right here, you can see the wicks on the top, and it means the price was rejected to move up, and you can see the price move to reject on the downward as well. And on the next candle you can see that it was rejected to move up but still moved on the upper direction. This one worked perfectly. The price rejected and it moved down. Now how can we predict when the price is gonna get rejected and which candle is to focus? For that, we're gonna draw some support and resistance lines. If you don't have any idea about what a support line is, what a resistance line is, you can watch my support and resistance video. The link is below in the description, and that clears everything about support and resistance. For now, I can give you a smaller idea about support and resistance. It's a line. We are just gonna zoom out our chart, not like that. Yes, it's fine. We are just gonna draw some lines like this that connects the maximum point of the chart. Instead of that line, I think we should simply draw the horizontal line right here. Yeah, let me give it the color white, and we can make it thicker. Okay, it's full thick. Yeah, so I drawn the white line. It is a resistance line because the price was resisted. Simply, whenever the price tries to move up and touches that line, it is resisted to move up and is pushed to move in the opposite direction. So the price never crossed this line. That's why it's called the resistance line. Now, if this line is perfectly drawn or not, the main thing is confirmations. Just check the confirmations and you get an idea. So one confirmation right here, and second right here, third right here, 4 right here, a lot of candles, 6 right here, 7 right here, 8 right here. So you need at least 3 confirmations that your line works. Now we can see, so let's say for example, just imagine we drawn the line right here and our chart is till here. So the price was moving, we were waiting for the price, we have drawn the line, but we are not, this chart is like this. The candles are right here, we are just waiting for the good movement, we have drawn this line. Now we know that the wicks represent about the rejection, so we need rejection at our support line or at our resistance line. Make sense? The support line is when these candles move on the top. I mean, this line acts as a support. I mean, if the line is below the candles strike to the line and move up, it's called a support line. If candles are below the line and candles move up and down, I mean strikes from the lower end, is resistance. So there is no difference, support and resistance, it's just the strike line. I mean the candle strike and rejected, gets rejected. So we drawn the line, we know that the wicks of the candles are the ones that tell us about the rejection, so we're gonna wait for the rejection at our support or resistance line. Right here you can see that the candles were saying about the rejection, but we not confirmed because it didn't touch our support or resistance line. Now the price went up right here, we wait for the candle to be formed. It's a 1 minute candle, which means when the candle moved up, we're not gonna place a trade. Let the candle be formed completely. Okay, so wait for the whole minute and let the candle be formed. And when you see that it's a rejection, there is a great wick at this candle and it's touching our line, support or resistance. It means the price is moving in the other direction. Now place the trade right here, and you can see if you have placed the trade right here, the price moved down. Even if you are a forex trader and if you are a binary trader, it doesn't matter because the price moves downward and you can collect your profit in both cases. Now what about the lower ends? Here you can see that if we connect these points, right here, we got some points right here. If we move back to the chart, and we can see that I zoomed out. Okay, here you can see that the lower end was this one. When the price moved up, it came back from this level, it moved up and came back from this level. Let's make it yellow and with a great width. Okay, so the white one is basically the resistance line and the yellow is support line for the moment. And a beautiful point to tell you one thing. Here you can see the price came down, there is a wick, the green candle has a wick, smaller, so not that much confirming, but still it's a wick in touching the line and showing the rejection, and price moved up. But when a candle doesn't have a rejection and breaks the line, as you can see on this green candle, the candle broken the white line and moved up. It means this line is no more a resistance line because the candles are on the top, and I already told you if the candles are below the line is called the resistance line. If the candles are on the top of the line, it's the support line. So before, the yellow was the support line and white was the resistance line, but after the breakage of the line, the candles moved up, so this white line is working now as a support. Okay, so the candles are gonna strike to this line and then divert, and you can see this line still working, even it was broken, just it's converted from resistance to support. Now you can see that we are waiting for the rejection. Here you can see the wick. The wick says that the price is rejected to move down, as well as is touching our it's a support line now, and it's confirmed the price is going to move up, and it moved up. Now the price came back down, it's touching the white line, and it's showing the wick that it's going to move up, and it moved up. The green candle shows that it moved up, so it was a winning trade if you traded on 1 minute. It was a winning even if you traded for 3 minutes, but 1 minute works here best. Now you can see that the candles here, the candles moved away, but here the candles are not moving away, they're moving along the line. It means it's a signal that the line could be broken. Now the candles break the line, so this white line, now the candles are below this white line, so this white line is gonna act as a resistance again. Now you can see that the price moved down, it moved up. We can see that this wick and this line worked as a support, as a resistance, and the price moved down. On the later on, it moved down. Now here you can see that there is a rejection from the bottom, there is a rejection from a top, so we're gonna wait. We're not gonna trade on this level. This level is not good for trading, so we're gonna wait. Here you can see it broken the line. We're not gonna trade, wait for the correct movement. Yeah, that was a good movement, but it didn't touch the line, so we're gonna leave it as well. Now keep on moving. Yeah, perfecto. Here you can see that the price moved up, it touched the white line, and the wick shows the rejection, and the price moved down. Perfect trade from here to this level. Alright, now we got this yellow line below, and our candles didn't touch this line, so we don't need to trade at this moment because this line is not satisfied. So we might consider developing one new line. As I told you, your line just connect at least 3 points. So if I consider this has a good point, and let's make it a color of, okay, I consider this one point, this is the second point, third, fourth, 5, 6, so the all candles are satisfying it. Along with this candle is satisfying 2. Now let's move back. Yeah, these two are satisfying it. Move back. Yeah, this one is satisfying, this one is satisfying, these all are satisfying. So this line is perfect, this line is perfectly drawn, and candles are above this line, so this line is our support line. Now we're gonna wait for a good signal. It touched up and it came down. Here you can see a beautiful movement. There's a rejection, there's a wick, and there's a line, so the price is gonna move up. This is how the pro traders trade. Keep making new and new lines. I know you will need some time, you need some expertise to draw these lines. Just keep on practicing, and when you see that you are done making these lines perfectly, then you jump on trading and use these two lines as well as the candle wicks. That's it, and you will be rocking. Thanks for watching. If you still have any question, feel free to comment below this video, and I will get back with the new video with the solution for you. So must subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, like this video, share this video, and when you subscribe to my channel, it's totally free. And when you press the bell icon and subscribe to my channel, you get notification about the videos that I upload in the future. I upload 1 video per day, and so it's a really great opportunity for you to learn free from me. So thank you so much for watching, and if you really want to help me, please share my video, share what you have learned with other traders so that we all make money. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.